Hello student, good morning. I am going to explain SI unit of inductance. SI unit of inductance is Henry. 1 Henry equal to 1 volt per ampere upon 1 amperes per second. Means the self inductance of coil is 1 Henry when an induced EMF 1 volt set up in the coil due to the change in current 1 ampere per second the coil, and 1 millihenry equal to 1 10 power minus 3 Henry and 1 micro Henry equal to 10 power minus 6 Henry. Note point: no flux link with straight wire, hence inductance of straight wire is zero. Inductance is not possible without the resistance, but resistance is possible without inductance. Now come on self-inductance of long solenoid. Let IV current in long circular coil of length L and radius R, then magnetic field on the axis of long solenoid. B equal to mu naught Ni upon L, when N is the total number of the turns in the coil, L is the length of the solenoid, means that long coil. Total magnetic flux through the solenoid N phi V, N V A, N phi V equal to N. Put the value of V, mu naught N I upon L into A, N phi V equal to mu naught N square I E by L. Coefficient of self inductance from the definition, L equal to L phi V upon I, therefore L equal to mu naught N square A upon L, where mu naught is a permittivity of free space. If any rod, Q may be mu L equal to mu N square A by L may be written, where mu equal to mu naught mu R, means mu equal to mu naught mu R is relative permeability. Now next, energy stored in coil. The work done against induced EMF to maintain steady current I naught is the energy supplied by the battery, which is stored up in inductor in form of electrical potential energy or electric potential energy. Let at any instant, if di by dt is a rate of change in current in the coil, then induced EMF equal to minus L di by dt, where L self inductance, dw equal to minus E dq, where dq is small amount of charge, minus, put the value of E, minus L di by dt into dq. You may be write dw equal to L dq by dt into I, dq rate of change of charge, flow of the charge known as current, dw equal to L I dt. The total work done, total work required W equal to 0 to I naught, where I naught is steady current, L I d I. L is constant, I is square upon 2, 0 to I. On solving, we will get E equal to half L I naught square, where I naught is steady current in coil. Now come on the next topic, mutual inductance. If be placed two coils near each other and electric current changing passing one of them and EMF induced in the second coil. This phenomenon is called magnetic induction. The first coil is called primary coil and second is called secondary coil. Means here in this mutual induction, when two coils kept along the same axis, if we change the current, if we flow current, varying current, change continuous changing current, then flux linked with the secondary coils also continuously change. Due to this change in the flux with the link with the secondary coil, their induced EMF produced along the ends of the secondary coil. This phenomenon is known as mutual induction, and first coil is known as primary coil, second is known as secondary coil. When current I1 ampere in primary coil as shown in figure, due to this current change in magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil phi 2, when then total flux linkage with the secondary coil into phi 2V, into phi 2V directly proportional to the current in primary coil, or into phi 2V equal to Mi1. When M is a mutual inductance of two between mutual inductance of the two coils. If on changing current in primary coil, on changing current in primary coil, induced EMF along secondary coil. Yes, coil means secondary coil. Then E2 equal to minus N2 delta phi 2V by delta T, or you may write minus delta N2 phi 2V upon delta T. N2 phi 2V may written Mi1, E2 equal to minus delta Mi1 upon delta T, or M into delta I by delta T. From this M equal to minus E2 upon delta I by delta T. If delta I by delta T equal to 1 ampere per second, then capital M equal to E2 numerically. Means inductance of mutual inductance of two coil, M equal to E2 means induced EMF along the secondary coil. Its SI unit is Henry, 1 volt upon 1 ampere per second. Means may be defined here, mutual inductance of two coil is 1 Henry when an induced EMF 1 volt set up in one of them due to the current changing at the rate of 1 ampere per second in the other. Now come on the mutual inductance of the two long coaxial coil. I have taken here two long coaxial coil, primary coil and secondary coil. The magnetic flux inside the primary coil means primary solenoid, long coil that is a solenoid, mu naught N1 I upon L, where N1 is a number of the N1 by L is a number of turns per unit length. N is the total number of the turns in the primary coil. Magnetic flux link the each turn of the secondary coil phi 2 equal to VA, where A is the area of the secondary effective area of the secondary coil. Phi 2 V equal to mu N1 I1 upon L into A. Mutual inductance of two solenoid or two long coil M equal to into phi 2 V upon I1. Put the value of phi 2 V, we get mu N1 N2 A upon L. M equal to N1 by L may be written as number of turns per unit length in the primary coil, mu naught N1 N2 A. M is directly proportional to the total of product of the total number of primary and secondary coil. It is not